There you go. I'm gonna go ahead and let it start recording. I don't want to miss none of this.
Calling me.
Hello. Hell yeah.
God dang, hold on, y'all. I can't hear.
Yeah, I'm ready. I'm outside.
You posting this shirt?
Yeah.
Oh, is your disconnect?
Hello.
Oh, I'm about to lose my hearing.
Where you gonna shoot at?
Huh?
Which way you gonna shoot at?
That ground?
I'm saying like which direction?
That way. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, that's all right.
Y'all got it's 11:56.
Shit, I just bust like right there.
Yes, sir.
My hand about to go bad. Let me chill out.
But you got the AirPods.
Yeah, I ain't playing no music though.
What time is it?
11:57. We out here.
Shell's right here.
Alright.
Good grief. These ain't playing no music. I should be good.
Huh?
These ain't playing no music.
They hot. They hot.
You gotta cut the first part out. I was looking at the ground. I know it's about to be loud.
I bet Rocky not going off.
Hey, yeah. I wish I could bust down there, man. They just too much shit. You're funny. About that. There's too much shit down that bit.
Line 59.
What's up?
Line 59. I'm gonna let y'all know.
You got to shoot Draco? Yeah. We shoot the AR lane? Yeah.
Why is Brittany calling me, man? What?
I just wanted to be with you for the countdown.
Oh. Connie, where y'all at? Y'all ain't coming outside.
See what happened was you just woke up.
Y'all better come on then. We still got, we got pop back up.
So we come back to Rocky Road.
We come back to Rocking Out in after we get in our shoe. Y'all ready?
Yeah, let's go.
Hold on, Brittany. 12, go. It's 12. You ready, Brittany? Here you go. My phone about to die.
Mine is too.
I'm on 4.
It was 4.
God dang, Trish is catching me off guard. Uh-oh. Hold on, I'm too close to this, right? Hold on. Hey, I'm too close to the shotgun. Oh, my camera ain't messed up. I'm tripping. Yo, when you see me, I'm dark. I know y'all got some more. Damn, boy. Sheesh. Dude.
Ah! That damn slug.
Not too.
It hurt.
Woo! Huh?
Go 380 at the game.
That one got
Hell yeah.